Explanation. We feel thirsty. We drink water. Water keeps our blood thin. It helps to digest the food and unwanted substances leave our body through urine. It is same in other animals and birds also. Plants grow on water only. If sufficient water is not given, they dry. Plants need water to live. In all the living things, water is present in tears, saliva, nose, and blood. We need water for cleaning and cooking, for industry too. From where do we get the water? In many villages, living things get the water from river or pond. Wild animals come to water hole. In big cities, water is supplied through taps. The dam is built on the river and water is carried through the pipes. Thus, to keep our body function in order, we need water. We have to keep the water clean and do not waste the water because the sources are limited.